Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Guys Guru. So today I'm going to be telling you how to create a YouTube thumbnail for free. So let's start. So your first step is to click the first link in the description which will lead you over here. The website's name is canva.com. It's a very good website for making thumbnails and logos and customize your photos. It's a very good website. So over here, as you can see over here, create a design on top right of your screen. Over here, create your design. So you have to search over here, YouTube thumbnail. So after you search YouTube thumbnail, it will show like this. That which type of thumbnail you have to create: YouTube thumbnail, music YouTube thumbnail, food YouTube thumbnail, beauty, travel, and tutorial. So right now I want to create a tutorial YouTube thumbnail. So over here they have given many templates, elements, text, videos, backgrounds, and we can also upload our templates or photographs using here. I mean this thing. I always create my thumbnails from this website. It's a very good website. I mean, yeah. So let's make a thumbnail right now. So I would select let's say this one. So let it load. So over here, as you can see over here, that we can edit the text. And if the letters don't fix, we can just do like this, as you can see over here. And to remove this, as you can see over here, it is showing this Canva thing, and you can choose another one. You can also remove this thing, this whole background image, by just right clicking and deleting it. And now I can add text using this thing, and I'll add a headline. And I'm not writing scribe again. I'll write as you can see over here that I'm using Canva, so I'll write this Canva. As you can see over here, now I can also add elements. So let's see what elements are given. Let them load for a second. Now as you can see over here, I've recently used these all things because these are needed for making thumbnails for me. So you can use many shapes, frames, stickers, charts, grids, the coronavirus, this thing, and bold foliage and zodiac symbols and many things. And you can also try the Canva Pro thing. You can get many more elements templates using the Canva Pro after you buy the Canva Pro. So you can also check that out. So let's add this to see if that's working or not. As you can see over here, it's successfully working. So I'll just add it over here. Now we can also add this as a branch, or we can also move it like this. As you can see, it's looking good like that, or over here. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. So make sure to subscribe my channel, like the video, and also share if you like the video. So Thank you guys. Bye bye.